What time is it?
It is 6:07.
6:07 in the morning. A.M. Good morning.
Yeah, Taylor, this is Declan.
How you doing, Declan?
This is Kara.
John, nice to meet you guys.
Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you guys.
Give up. Don't give up. You can do it.
There you go.
The big one.
Oh, let's get it, dude.
It is a big one, bud.
Oh. Woo, look at that. Yeah, dude. You gonna hold it?
No.
You gotta hold it. Well, you can't catch it if you're not gonna hold it. Come on. Meanwhile, I'm just a spectator.
No more. No.
Come on. Just got like 4 or 5 in a matter of about 6 minutes.